Good evening, students. My name is Dipankar Pal. Today, I will discuss about the general paper UGC NET exams, which held on 18 June 2024. Today's class is about the paper analysis class, where match answer in this class. So this class is very important. Please like, comment and share today's session, and please watch full session and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss total 50 questions with answer in general paper 1 shift 1, which is held on 18 June. So I will start my question. First question is about, I think this is DI. Yes, DI. First 1 to 5 is DI. Then next guys are please cooperate with me, because I am not comfortable like in YouTube classes, but I will try my level best. Then start our session. The first question number 1 to 5 is DI, like data interpretations. The following table shows the percentage distribution of the number of readers of an IT magazine in the year of 2019 and 2023 among the 6 different cities A to F. Based on the data in the table, answer the following questions. So this DI, which is given on the readers of an IT magazine in 2019 to 2023 in the 6 different cities A to F. The first question is about, just a minute. Okay. The first question is, if the number of readers from the city D in the year 2019 and 2023 were 77,400 and 1,14,000 respectively, then what is the difference between the number of readers from city F in the year 2019 and that in 2023? The right answer is option B, 27,200. Next questions. If the total number of readers from all the 6 cities A to F together in the year of 2019 and 2023 were 4.3 lakh and 5.7 lakh respectively, then what was the difference between the total number of reader from city B and city C together in the year of 2019 and 2023? The right option is option A, 1.175 lakh. Next question number 3. If the total number of readers from all the 6 cities A to F together in the year of 2023 was 50,000, then the number of reader was more than 7,400 in exactly cities in the same year. This question is right option is option number 3, 4. Answer 4. Next 4. 4-number questions. If the ratio of the number of readers from city A in the year of 2019 to that in 2023 was 2:5, then what was the ratio of the number of readers from all the 6 cities together in the year of 2019 to that in 2023? This question is doubtful, but the right answer is, I think, but right answer is option A, 3:5. Next, question number 5. If the number of readers from city C in the year 2019 and that from city E in the year 2023 were 73,100 and 51,300 respectively, then the number of readers from city B in the year 2023 was approximately that in 2019 more than. Right option is 51.5, option number 4. Next part, question number 6. Match the following. List 1 is digital initiative. Some digital initiative like Sot Sindhu, Sot Gangatri, Sot Shuddhi, and list 2 is purpose. So this questions is matching. Sot Sindhu, it's the provide access to e-resource to universities and colleges. So we are not very much discuss about this session. The right option is option number 2. Like A with a match of 3, B match 1, C 4, and D 2. Next, question number 7. The speed, that is this is the mathematical reasoning part, and this is the math. 7-number question asked the speed of a boat in still water is 5 km per hour and the speed of stream is 1 km per hour. A man rose to a place at a distance of 24 km and come back to the starting point. Find the total time taken by him. So these questions, the right option is 2, 10 hour. 10 hour. Next, another, the matching. This question is from taken the part of research methodology. Some abbreviations at all, anti-CF IBITS, and list 2 is what meaning. Like at all means and others, IBIT means same. So this is the right option is very option number 2. This question is very easy, I think. Next, question number 9. Which of the following is the first post-independence education commission in India? Right answer option 3, University Education Commission. This is from the higher education unit number, I think, 9. Next question number 10. Knowing that you find algebra more difficult than your sister does, but that you could improve with practice, is an example of. What type of example this question says? This is metacognitions. Option number 2, metacognition is right answer. Question number 11. Mind to mind communications involve the communication of meaning through. This question is taken from communication units. There is 5 options: physical setting, shared beliefs, values, noise manipulation, and context. Choose the correct answer from options given below. Right is the B, C, and D. Shared beliefs, values, and noise manipulation. So 11 number questions is right option is 2, B, C, D. 12. According to the National Credit Framework (NCTF), after obtaining the bachelor degree, honors, research, or engineering, a program duration of 4 years, the credit level earned is 6. Option number 2 is the right answer, 6. 13th question is asked for the logical reasoning chapter. Which fallacies is committed in the following statement? There is a one statement and asking which fallacies is committed. Like the statement is, the people with cases of flu should be kept in quarantine because it has never been disproven as the best means of keeping the disease from spreading. So we are all know about when the statement is asking this is prove or not. This what type of reasoning it says. This is appeal to ignorance. So the right option is option number 1, appeal to ignorance. Next questions. There is a matching, match the list, list to one concept and list to source. Like the free commerce and communication given by the Adam Smith, communication in economics, Alfred Marshall, language as a conduit of communication is John Locke, lines of communication is Karl Marx. So the right option is 4. Next question. Which of the following are essential requirement for the formation of photochemical smog? Options: carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, volatile organic compound, and sunlight. Choose the most appropriate answer from this option given below. So right answer is B, D, and E. Means nitrogen dioxide, volatile organic compound, and sunlight is right answer, option number 4. Next question is very easy. About match the list is SDG goals and number of goals. Sustainable development goals and what is the number of goals. MDG is Millennium Development Goal is 8. Target of MDG is 21. SDG goal number is 17. Target of SDG is 169. So there is very easy questions, I think, and option number 2 is right. Next, which of the following approach to the study of reality suggest that the only knowledge gained through experience and the sense of acceptable? The right option is empiricism. Empiricism says that only knowledge gained through the experience. I think this is the knowledge we get knowledge from through the experience. So this option is empiricism is right answer, option number 3. Next, 18 number questions match the following list: ancient treatise and the author. Lilavati is saying the Bhaskariya, Yoga Shastra is Patanjali, Nyaya Shastra is Gautam, and Arthashastra is Chanakya. So option number 1 is right. Next 19 number questions. What is full form of POP? POP full form is the persistent organic pollutants. So right answer is option number 1. Next, the second 5-year plan for implementation included the recommendation of the following. Says option A, University Education Commission, Language Commission of India, Rural Higher Education Committee, Committee on Establishment of New Universities, 3-year Degree Course Committee. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Right option is B, C, and D only. So right answer is option number 2, Language Commission of India, Rural Higher Education Committee, and Committee of Establishment of New Universities. So right option is option number 2. Next question, which of the following is national coordinator of the SWAM course for non-technical post-graduation educations? So this question is saying non-technical post-graduation education. Some students are take the AICTC, but this is the right answer is University Grant Commission like UGC, which organizations conduct our exams like UGC NET. So right option is the UGC, option number 4. Which of the following statement is A to D about the computer memory size are true? There is a 4 statement like ABCD, and that they are saying about the which computer memory size is true. So what are the statements? That is, the statements are A number statement is saying the 25 KB is larger than 100 MB. This is false, obviously false, because we know about 1 MB equal to 124 KB. Second statement says that 999 MB is larger than 50 GB. This is also the false. D number of statement says that 2350 byte is smaller than 2 KB. This is also false. So the right option is only C, option number 2. What statement saying? The statement saying that 3500 KB is smaller than 2 GB. This statement is absolutely right. Next questions from math. 23 number questions. A motorboat covers certain distance downstream in 5 hours but takes 6 hours to return upstream to the starting point. If the speed of the stream be 4 km per hour, then what is the speed of the motorboat in still water? Right option is 44 km per hour, option number 3. Next question, which technology first marked a separation between transportations and communications? Right answer is telegraph, option number 1. 25 number questions. The media accountability system to improve media quality focus on A. Evaluation, B. Audience control, C. Monitoring, D. Education, E. Feedback. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Right option is A, C, D and E only. So the right is the evaluations, monitoring, educations and feedback. So option number 4 is right. Before the next questions I am saying, I requested to you, please support me and please subscribe my channel, and you guys are also comment what number of questions are right in your paper in shift 1 18 June UGC NET. So next questions, 26 number questions. When you try to predict the value of an outcome variable from one or more variables, you are likely to be using. This question are saying that when you are trying to predict, in some cases, what are the outcome variable from one or more variable, what type of statistic are used? There are 4 options. The Pearson product moment correlations, bivariate regression, multivariate regression and analysis of variance. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. So right option is B, C and D. The bivariate regression, multivariate regression and analysis of variance we are choosing as a predict of value when an outcome variable from one or more variable. So right option is C. I think 3, B, C, D. Next questions, 27 number questions. Choose the correct statement. There is a 4 different statements, and they are saying what are the correct answer from options given below. This is a math, this is a calculative math. I am just saying what is the right options. The A statement saying the x percentage of y is equal to y percentage of 100x. B statement says if 40% of 60% of 3 by 5 of a number is 504, then 25% of 2 by 5 of that number is equal to 350. B statement says if A is 15% more than B, then B is equal 13.04% less than of A. And D number statement saying 10% of 5 and 5% of 10 add up to 0.1. So right option is B and C. B and C only, option number 2. You guys are check these questions. Next 28 question, 28 number questions. Which of the following statement are true? Another question are saying the fourth statement, and which is choose the most appropriate answer from this option given below. What are the statement? The statements is validity can never apply to any single proposition by itself. This is true, obviously. The concept of truth can apply to single proposition. This is also true. Proposition by themselves can be valid but not invalid. This is false. Proposition cannot be valid by itself, though it can be invalid on its own. This is also false. So right answer is option number 2, A and B is correct. Next questions are saying from the ICT part, ICT units. Identify the correct order to the following list of computer component ranked from the slowest to the fastest in terms of access time. So the CPU, cache, RAM, SSD, optical driver, 4 options given below. The correct order is optical drive, SSD, RAM and CPU cache, because the question are saying the slowest to fastest. Okay, then we know about the fastest is the CPU cache and slowest is the optical drive. So this question is very easy, I think, to. Next, the identify the correct sequence of the following research organization according to their year of establishment. So there is a 5 organizations name, like Indian Council of Social Science Research, ICSSR, National Council for Rural Institutes, NCRI, Indian Council for Philosophical Research, ICPR, Indian Council for Historical Research, ICHR, Indian Institutes of Advanced Studies, IIAS. So these are correct sequence is option number 3, EADCB. Okay, the first is the IIAS, then ICSSR, then ICHR, then ICPR, and last the NCRI. Next questions, the 31. Arrange the different stage involved in the process of the deduction is correct sequence. Another questions of saying what are the sequence and choose the correct answer from the option given below. So there is 4 options: revision of theory, hypothesis confirmed or rejected, finding and data collection. The correct sequence is in this case at first data collections, then findings, then hypothesis confirm or reject, and revision of the theory. So right option is questions number 31 is 2. 2 is the right option, DCBA. Next, what is the base of 10 equivalent of base 4 number of 3013? Okay, there is a mistake, I think. So the right option is C. I am saying this is Hindi, I am writing in Hindi. Okay, there is no problem. I am saying the right option, and right option is C, 199. This questions is answers. Okay, 32 questions numbers, option number 3 is right, 199. 33. Which of the following are the subdivision of implicit unconscious memory? 5 options: primings, episodic memory, classical conditioning effect, semantic memory, and procedural memory. Choose the most appropriate answers from the given option below. Right option is A, C, and E: primings, classical condition effect, and the procedural memory. Next questions: arrange the following in order of increasing connotations. Options are the fielder, ball player, baseball player, and athletes. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option number 3 is right. At first athletes, then ball player, then baseball player, then fielder. Next, which of the following are true about the breeder reactor? This question is, I think, new questions. About the breeder's reactor, there are 5 statements, and they are saying which statements are correct, and choose the correct answer from option given below. So the statement number 1 is, they produced more fissile material than the consume. B, there are no breeder reaction in India. C, there are 2 types, fast and slow, of breeder reactors. D, for breeding operations, the conversion ratio fissile material produced by fissile material consumed should be more than 1. And E, breeder reactors produced more nuclear waste than the conventional one. So I think this is the right answer is option number D, A, C, D, and E. Sorry, only B is false. Okay, so option number 4 is right in 35 number questions. Next, 36 number questions: when communication help a group to achieve its goal, it is known as the promotive role, or option number 2, the promotive role, is right. 37 number question: which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? There is a 4 statement, 4 options. Statements 1 is, the Naya syllogism has 3 propositions. Statement 2, Naya syllogism has 5 terms. Statement 3, Naya syllogism has 5 propositions. Statement 4, Naya syllogism has 3 proposition of 3 terms. So there is a correct option is 3, Naya syllogism has 5 propositions. Next, which of the following digital initiative provide database or profile of scientist and researcher and other faculty member working at leading academic institutions and research and development organizations? There is 4 options: Swamprova, eVidwan, NAD, by National Academic Depository, and Ishot Sindhu. So right answer is eVidwan, option number 2. There is another match list 1 and list 2. Uses an appropriate computer input device. There is some input device like mouse, joystick, microphone, number pad, and there is 4 uses. We all know about to input the voiceover for a presentation. Many workplace we are provide the voice cover in our presentation. So voice cover is microphone is appropriate matching. Input a pin is with the help of number pad we are giving. Select option from a menu with the help of mouse, and operate the flight simulator with the help of joystick. So right option is option number 2. Next questions is 40 number questions. A device used to convert a computer's digital signal to an analog signal for communication is called a modem. This is very easy from the communication part. Another, the match the list. This is the mathematical reasoning part. There is a 4 words, and for list 2 is the 4 codes. Okay, choose the correct answer from option given below. This is right option is option number 2. Next, 42 questions. Arrange the following fractions in increasing order. There is a 4 fractions. A 6 by 7, B 11 by 13, C 16 by 19, D 19 by 22. So right option is 3. Right option is 3. At first 16 by 19, then 11 by 13, then 19 by 22, then 6 by 7. Next 43 number questions. There is another match with the list 1 is type of toxicants and list 2 is affected organ. These questions are saying which toxic chemicals are affected which organs. Nephrotoxics affected is kidney, hematotoxics affected is blood, pulmonotoxics affected by lungs, and hepatotoxics is affected by liver. So right option is option number A. Next 44 number questions. There is another questions from taking the logical reasoning part. Which of the following statement is logically equivalent to this statement? No horse are feline. So right option is option number 1. No feline are horse. Because we are know about no horses are feline. This is that E-type from E-type of categorical propositions, and E-type of propositions are saying that the no horse are feline, so no felines are horse. Next 45 number questions. If a research project is set up so that everybody in the population of interested has an equal chance of being included in the sample, this research involved. What type of research involved? There is 4 option: quota sampling, judgmental sampling, probability sampling, and convenience sampling. Right option is probability sampling. One thing I am saying that I am take a class about the sampling. This is a very important topic from general paper 1 and also the geography paper. So you guys are very helpful sampling classes, so you can go and watch my sampling classes. Next 46 to 50 number questions from the RC, the reading comprehension part. You guys are read the passage carefully and correct the answers. I just match the right options. Okay, so the 46 number question is in many countries of the world the medical pluralism is normed because. The right option is option number 4. No single system of medicine can single-handedly address all health concern, which means that not only the one single system of medicine can handle all type of health issues, right? So this option is very authentic. Next 47 number question. Choose the appropriate title of the passage. We all are read this passage, and I think this correct option is holistic healthcare, because of this passage are saying the holistic healthcare and health system of India. So this right option is, I think, the holistic healthcare. 48 number questions. The Global Center of Traditional Medicine has been established in which the World Health Organizations, or Jamnagar, or New Delhi, or Haridwar? So right option is Jamnagar. According to the World Health Organization report, the percentage of the world population that use traditional medicine system is some way or the other is about 20%, about 50%, about 80%, about 100%, about 80%. So this is right option is about 80%. Next, last questions about today's sessions. 50 number questions from taken the RC, or the reading comprehension passage. Which of the following fact about the traditional Indian medicine system are false? The 4 statements are given. Each system is unique. They include the Ayurveda, Naturopathy, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathy. Modern health science persists them, and each system has an essentially similar philosophy. Choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. So right answer is C and D, option number 3. Modern health science persists them, and each system has an essentially similar of philosophy. So this is the last question of our sessions. Thank you, and please watch the full today's class, and you guys are please comment what number of questions you were right, and about what number you are getting this paper. This paper is taken from 18 June to 2024, shift 1. Okay, so thank you, and watch again, and please subscribe and support me as a new educator in YouTube. Thank you. Visit again.